You want to say hi? Happy 4th of July. So we are invited to Dan's cousin's house. So we're gonna go there. You want to say hi? Hi.
Hi!
What are you gonna do today? You know? You are gonna go watch the fireworks. Ayla? We're going to watch the fireworks later. Yeah. We're going to watch the fireworks later, Ayla. It's still it is very hot today. Say hi.
Hi!
All right. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Wow.
They said no street this year.
Oh, that's nice.